What's going on, Sneaker Talk fam? Welcome back to another sneaker unboxing haul video. Yes, that's right, 3 unboxing videos back to back to back. We will be getting back to the sneaker reviews on the channel in our next video, but today I have a special unboxing of a pair of Air Jordan 1 Mids that just released today in select markets, and I ended up paying for these a little out of pocket. I ended up even having to pay like $120 in taxes on this shoe. So as you guys know, I've been buying a lot of shoes off of eBay and StockX recently, and with the eBay authenticated program, pretty much whenever they came to like taxes and stuff like that, I would get charged ahead of time online on eBay's website, or just not charged for tax at all. However, this is the first time in like 5 to 6 purchases on eBay where I got charged extra duties and taxes once the pair arrived at my door. So I paid like 300 Canadian dollars for this shoe, and then tax and stuff was an extra 120. So I kind of took an L by buying these on eBay with that unexpected fee. Kind of really bummed out about that, but regardless, I have a really dope pair of Air Jordan 1 Mids in this box, which we're gonna get into in just a second. But if you guys don't know, the awesome people over at Sneaker Flea are actually doing an August mystery box. You guys can cop one. They have 2 mystery streetwear brands as the 2 t-shirts that are guaranteed in the box. The box is $100 US, and you also get a chance at getting what I just showed you guys, a golden ticket, which gives you an opportunity to potentially get the Fragment Travis Scott Jordan 1 highs that just came out, along with other sneakers like the Supreme Dunk Lows and the yellow, what is it? The yellow furry ones, Grateful Deads, that's the one. So all those and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I'll leave links in the description down below to Sneaker Flea's mystery box, so check it out, click the link. And with that said, let's get into what might be the best Jordan 1 Mid of the year. I know that's a bold statement, so let's open up this box and begin the hype. Oh, I'm hyped for this one, man. I'm hyped for these. I have been expecting these to come out for a while now, and I haven't seen these in Canada yet. I still have to stop by the new Nike store at Yorkdale Mall, so that's something I have to get done ASAP. And oh, there we go, the special eBay box right here. Oh, it has a special box too. Ow, I just slapped myself in the face with the box. Did not know these had a white box. Is it because it's a women's release? Yeah, that's so weird. There's so many really good women's Air Jordan 1 releases this year. Here we have it. These are the Air Jordan 1 Mid Women's Syracuse. This is a sneaker that some people are calling the Shattered Backboard Mids, because just look at this thing, man. Look at this pair. Oh, it has like this kind of a glossy shine to it. The kind of leather they use really reflects the light really well. And here is the other pair without the eBay branding, because this is not a sponsored video. So bam, take a look at these, the Syracuse Air Jordan 1 Mid. This right here is a really good alternative to the Air Jordan 1 High Shattered Backboard 2.0s, which have a very similar color blocking. Now the strange thing with this sneaker is, I think my girlfriend thinks I'm colorblind, but to me this is like an orange. Okay, this is orange to me, and the shirt I'm wearing is more of like a red. But the box, like the color code they use for this is white, habanero, red, and white. So it's habanero red, but it really looks like an orange to me. This is like a deep, really well saturated orange. Here's just a close-up look at the sneaker. You got the Wings logo right there, the Nike swoosh on the side, the orange leather, and actually the quality on this pair is definitely above your average Air Jordan 1 Mid. Like, this might be one of the better quality Jordan 1 Mids that are gonna come out this year. So definitely, if you end up paying resale for these, which might not be that bad if you want to compare these to saving money on the Shatter Backboard 2.0s, the leather quality will not disappoint you at all. This is like my first impression of the shoe. This is a really nice shoe. I gotta say, this is definitely a sneaker that I'm confused as to why they made it a woman's colorway, just like the Kentucky Blue Air Jordan 1 Mids. I'll have a photo of those on screen right now. Like, why are they making them women's sneakers with extended sizing? If they made these men's shoes, I feel like these would be a lot more popular. And yeah, it's just weird. So that is the pickup. Let me throw these on feet, show you guys what these look like with some collar clothing denim. I'll leave links to the denim in the description down below as well, with the referral link, which you guys can check out. But yeah, overall, really clean Air Jordan 1 Mid. Just a quick unboxing for today's video. Let me know what you guys think about the Syracuse or Shatter Backboard 2.0 Air Jordan 1 Mid. I like these more than the original Shatter Backboard Mid in my opinion. This color blocking is just really nice. The execution of the materials is really well done as well. And this is a sneaker because it is a woman's shoe, which you probably won't see as many guys hunting these down. If you are a guy wearing these will be something you don't see on every other person's feet compared to other sneakers like the Gym Red Air Jordan 1 Mids or all the other Jordan 1 Mids that have come out this year. If you guys want to see my Jordan 1 Mid news video, I just dropped it on the main channel along with the Jordan 1 Low and Jordan 1 High video. But yeah, these are dope. And how do these smell? They smell better than your regular mid, but not as good as a high top. On feet coming up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.